Hi friends, once again welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my another video of seashell art and craft. Seashell craft. Seashell art and craft is a timeless and nature-inspired form of artistic expression that transforms the delicate remnants of marine life into captivating visual creations. It celebrates the serene and intricate beauty of the ocean by repurposing seashells, once homes to sea creatures, into artworks that hold both aesthetic and emotional value. Every seashell carries a natural elegance shaped by years of tumbling in the sea, and no two shells are exactly alike. This uniqueness makes them an ideal medium for artists who seek to work with organic, one of a kind materials. This uniqueness makes them an ideal medium for artists who seek to work with organic, one of a kind materials, whether smooth and curly or rough and textured. Each shell tells its own story of tides, currents, 50, and the passage of time. Before becoming part of a craft project, seashells are typically cleaned and prepared with care. This step honors their origin and ensures their longevity. Artists often leave the shells in their natural state to preserve their raw beauty, but some choose to gently polish or coat them to highlight their colors and patterns. The soft white, pinks, browns, and iridescent hues within the shells evoke a soothing coastal atmosphere that adds a peaceful, natural charm to any piece. Seashell art spans a broad spectrum from rustic and folk style creations to highly detailed and refined compositions. These crafts can be purely decorative or serve a functional purpose. Regardless of their form, they often reflect themes of the sea, travel, nature, and serenity. Working with seashells allows the artist to connect with nature, transforming what is essentially discarded by the sea into something meaningful and lasting. The tactile quality of seashells adds dimension and depth to any artwork. Their varying sizes, curves, and textures allow for rich, multi-layered compositions. Artists may choose to combine seashells with their other natural materials like sand, coral fragments, pebbles, and driftwood, enhancing the natural theme and grounding the art in a broader ecological content. Furthermore, seashell art can be deeply personal. Many people collect shells during vacations or beach walks and later use them in crafts as a way to preserve memories. or comm- commemorate special moments. As such, the craft can be as emotionally meaningful as it is visually stunning. So, thanks for watching. I really hope that you like my information about this.